doubt you can hear this. Maybe. That's why I'm doing this test. But whenever my hover zoom does something, you can hear it.